Good morning, good morning, my Live Good family. Once again, this is Coach Jericho Ilinco, yan, also known as si Daddy Jake TV. Yes, ang daddy ng bayan. I am your gold affiliate to rank here and live good. We are running a few numbers of affiliate to become platinum. So for this video, I'm gonna send to you the demo. I'm gonna show you the tutorial on how to pre-enroll new Live Good affiliate. So, kunyari po, in this video po pala, dito po pala sa si Daddy Jake TV YouTube channel, pwede nyo po itong i-follow, pwede po kayo ditong maghanap ng mga videos, ang dami po ditong mga how. Lahat po ng how po natin about sa Live Good, like how to lock in your position in Live Good, how to lock in pre-enroll affiliate to Live Good, how to renew Live Good subscription, how to share your Live Good landing page, Live Good back office tour, how to transfer credit wallet to another credit wallet, how to set up your credit wallet in Live Good, how to lock in pre-enrolled affiliate using credit wallet, how to renew Live Good subscription using Live Good wallet, home-based business about yung mga videos po yan ng ating international training, how to edit welcome poster and banner to new affiliate, home-based business na trending global, Live Good business presentation for African prospects, how to build your network, the power of 10, English a Live Good English presentation if you have some foreigner na gustong pa sendan, how to rank up and Live Good kung yan, Live Good Diamond Rank Coach Harold Pangan testimony, how to renew Live Good subscription using credit card, Live Good free tour, makikita natin Live Good business presentations, we have paano kumita ng dollars na nasa bahay lang. Ang dami po dito mga tutorial na pwede nyo pong sundan. How to build your network in Live Good by Mentor Jesse Garcia. So, ang dami po kayo matututunan dito. Just visit si Daddy Jake TV. Ayan po, and you can just subscribe para po pag may mga bagong video presentation or video download tutorial is updated po tayo. Now, punta po tayo doon sa ating tutorial. Let's say, ang magiging sponsor po is pinadala po sa inyo, no? Kunyari, pinadala po sa atin ito yung website, no? So, ganito lang po para mag-share na rin tayo, diretso na rin po to on how to share your landing page. Kunyari, ito po yung landing page nyo. Di ba normally pinapadala lang naman po natin ito sa Messenger, tama? So, ito yung Facebook ko din. You can also add me. Ayan, meron tayong pera. Sorry. So, nakasama pa. Ayan, so we have money here for ano yan. So, may ano po, no? And yung mga kabataan na minamanage natin. Anyway, kunyari ito na po yung ating landing page that we're gonna send that here. Kunyari kay Jennifer, no? Pinadala natin kay Jennifer, no? Then Jennifer is the one who will register, no? Using this landing page. So, C2IT yung sponsor po talaga natin ang magagamit po natin. You just click it, diretso na po yan, magna-navigate po yan on this page, makikita nyo po yan, introducing the company that is breaking the mold. Tama? So, ito na po yun. Kunyari, ang gagamitin ko po. Kunyari, ako yung magpe-pre-register, no? Jericho. Then, Irinko. Then, ano yung gagamitin kong email address? Like tayo dyan, na wala na yung email address para na pagkukuhanan ko. Kunyari, ang gagamitin kong email address is yung aking account sa aking, what do you call this? YouTube. Pero dapat po ang gagamitin po natin dito is yung active email address natin, ha? Para ho, hindi ho tayo magka-problem. Ibig sabihin, existing active po na ano po yan, na Gmail. So, i-transfer po natin to sa iba kasi register po kasi yung account na yan on itong account na mismo ito. So, kunyari ang gagamitin po natin na email address is yung active email address naman po talaga natin ito. So, just for a demo, ipakita po natin, no, sa inyo. So, ito siya. Wait lang. Copy ko lang siya. Pero in here kasi, sa inyo po kasi, in your case, naka-ready na po yan. Tama? So, ito yung Live Good tour. Ayan. Then, paste ko yung aking email address, kunwari. Then, reserve my position. Okay? Pag clinic mo po yan, naka-pre-enroll po yan. Ayan, so, congratulations, Jericho, your temporary pre-enrollee position. So, pag clinic mo yan dito, makikita mo kung sino yung enroller. Okay, this is for demonstration lang to ha. So, si Daddy Jake TV, Jericho Irinco, so tama po yan. So, pwede na po natin siyang i-lock in actually. Kung gusto niyo po siyang i-lock in, pwede niyo na pong i-click itong join now. Okay? Then, once click niyo po yung join now niyo, dire-diretso na po yan. So, what you're gonna do is you just put in your mobile number here. Ayan, naka-pre-encoded na po yung pangalan at Gmail address. Then, you can create your username here. Put in your username, put in your new password and confirm your password. Tapos naka-okay na po yan, 1 month, one time $40 affiliate sign up plus 9.95 monthly membership. So 49.95. Diretso na po tayo dito. Ang ilalagay nyo po dito, shipping address is yung address nyo po. Pangalan nyo po muna dito. Again, type nyo po dito yung full name nyo. Kunyari, Jericho Irinco, then address, Block 1, Lot 2, kunyari, B1, L2, yan, Spon Street, Cainta, Rizal. Ganun lang. Then dito sa State and Province, Rizal, RIZ. 3 letters lang po ito kasi 3 character lang ang tinatanggap po dito sa space na to. So kunyari Laguna, so LEG, Cavite CAV, Batangas BAT, Bicol BOC or BIC. Ganun lang. So basta tatlo lang po yan. Then of course the zip code. And dito naman po sa select payment, kung credit card po ang gagamitin natin, as is na po walang gagalawin. Dito po sa name on card, marami po ditong nalilito. Regardless of what card are you going to use, Visa or MasterCard, Metrobank, BPI, BDO, GoTime, Maya Card, kung ano man po yan, ang ilalagay nyo po dito is name on card, yung pangalan nyo po na nakalagay po doon sa card. Again, pangalan nyo po na nakalagay sa card. Then pick one kung ano po yan type ng card mo. Visa ba yan o MasterCard? Okay, then check. Then credit card number kompleto po dapat dyan. Then expiration date kompleto din po yan. At the month and the year. Then dito po yung security code. Nakikita po yan sa likod ng credit card nyo po. And it should be confidential. Hindi nyo yung pwedeng i-share. Okay? Then dito po sa credit card address, shipping address, country Philippines pa rin. Address, the same with the kung ano yung address na niregister nyo po when you apply that particular card in the bank. Then state in the province, kung anong probinsya and the zip code, then click continue. So tuloy-tuloy na po yan. Hindi lang tayo makakapag-proceed kasi hindi ko po nilagyan siya ng information. So this is just for demonstration lang. Alright? So again, thank you so much and I hope may na-learn po tayo. Sa lahat po ng mga bagong affiliates ng Live Good under my organization, you can add me po on my Facebook. Just type in Jericho Irinco. Ayan, type nyo lang po itong pangalan na to. Ito, Jericho Irinco. Nakikita nyo po to, Jericho Irinco. Then hanapin nyo po, dalawa po kasi ang lumalabas dyan. Ito pong Agila, saka itong Agila and Tiger. Pareho po yan active. Alright? So, pareho nyo po yan i-add or i-follow. Then of course, subscribe on this YouTube channel para masundan nyo yung maraming mga tutorial. Alright, so maraming salamat. God bless. If you have some questions, nakapag pre-enroll na po kayo, nandito na po yung mga, nandito na po ang ating how to transfer credit wallet, how to lock in pre-enroll affiliate to Live Good. So, pwede nyo na po yan sundan. Again, maraming salamat and God bless everyone. Bye po.